Hi. This summer I had a problem with the cooling system on my Yamaha outboard engine. And I was worried if the engine would overheat. And I went to the internet to see what could be the matter. So here we have the Yamaha engine. And as I could see on the internet, near the propeller you have this, inside here it is a rubber wheel that transport water to the cooling system inside the engine. And as you can see, it is vents here at side of the propeller on both sides, and also up here under the engine it's a small outlet where the water is coming out to prove that the cooling is consistent. So it was just dripping from this outlet when I was running the engine. So certainly you could remove the bolts here and you could change the propeller at the cost of some $40 plus the work. So I thought of another solution, and I used my dental flosser. It is a pump that I can use to rinse my teeth, and I just pointed this on the outlet here, and also on the vents of the engine housing near the propeller on both sides. Afterwards, using this easy method, I had no problem with the cooling of the engine. I'll show you shortly. Now I have the engine running, and you can see that the water is running freely. So I don't have to worry for the cooling of the engine.